Dreaming of seamless payments across the European continent? Let's talk about how you might make Cash App work for you while traveling in Europe, and what to do if it's not your best bet. So, you're gearing up for an adventure in Europe and wondering if your trusty Cash App will be your payment pal. The short answer is, it's not straightforward. Cash App is primarily designed for users within the United States and the United Kingdom. This means sending money to or receiving money from someone outside these regions, especially within the Eurozone, isn't directly supported through Cash App's core features. If you're a US-based Cash App user, you might be able to maintain access to your account and check your balance. However, initiating new transactions, especially sending money to European recipients or making payments at European merchants, is highly unlikely to work. The system is geo-locked, meaning it relies on your registered location for functionality. Trying to force a transaction could lead to errors or, worse, your account being flagged. So, while you can technically have the app on your phone, using it for actual payments in most of Europe is not reliably possible. But don't fret about missing out on mobile convenience. For easy transactions in Europe, focus on apps designed for international use. Wise, formerly TransferWise, is a fantastic option. It allows you to hold multiple currencies, exchange money at a fair rate, and send money to individuals or businesses across Europe. Another excellent alternative is Revolut. Similar to Wise, Revolut is very popular in Europe and provides a digital banking experience with easy international money transfers, excellent exchange rates, and a widely accepted debit card that works seamlessly for payments and ATM withdrawals across the continent. You can also rely on your standard debit or credit cards. Most European establishments accept Visa and MasterCard, and using them often gives you a competitive exchange rate. Just be sure to inform your bank about your travel plans beforehand to avoid any transaction disruptions. So, while Cash App might be a no-go for your European adventure, embrace alternatives like Wise or Revolut. And don't forget your trusted debit and credit cards. Happy travels and happy spending!